You would like to have your data from portatour available at any time for tailored analyses in a simple, straightforward way? The OData interface allows you to automatically import your data from portatour into your BI tools for further analysis, including customers, reports, tasks, appointments, and users. This works with well-known tools such as Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Power BI, Click, or Tableau. portatour uses OData 4.0 for this purpose. Setting it up in your BI tool is quick and gives you a range of benefits. Reports and charts are synchronized with the latest data from portatour at the push of a button. Create custom views to instantly monitor visit frequency, territory coverage, and customer potential. Use familiar features for in-depth filtering and segmentation of your route data. And thanks to the direct data flow, transfer errors are minimized. Let's take a look at 3 specific examples. First, we analyze the number of contacts and the achieved visit rate. In December 2025, John had 84 customer contacts. 76 of those, or 90%, were successful visits. In 8 cases, or 10%, he was unable to meet the customer and therefore could not complete the visit. In the next examples, we check whether the field reps followed the routes suggested by portatour. We can see a clear change from calendar week 17 to week 18. In week 17, a large number of visits were made to customers who were not part of the scheduled plan, meaning John did not follow the optimized routes generated by portatour. In week 18, however, most visits originated from portatour suggestions. There is still room for improvement, but route compliance is clearly moving in the right direction. The data also shows that 1/3 of the customers visited in week 18 were not yet due for a visit. While in week 17, mainly due customers were selected, a significant portion in week 18 was visited too early. The time spent would likely have been better invested in customers who were actually due. What kind of analyses would you like to run? To set up the OData interface right away, simply go to the organization-wide settings in portatour and select OData for data analysis. Your IT team will find all the required information there. If you have any further questions about OData, your portatour contact will be happy to assist you. Wishing you great success with optimized routes, and thank you for watching.